What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there staying safe and healthy. And of course, y'all know what it is. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos. Come through, freestyle cooking with Streets. Do these recipes with me. You'll love it. We get it in. Let's do it, y'all. Alright? So today, y'all, I'm doing some lamb leg steaks, y'all. You feel me? In the mood for them. Definitely a dope recipe. Had to get it in with y'all. Alright? So to see you on the board, I got me some lamb leg steak. I got me one with the bone in. Nice piece. Look at that. And I wanted to get a couple of pieces of the bone in, but they didn't have it. They only had one piece left, y'all, so I had to grab it. But I also got 2 pieces of the boneless. Oh yeah, look at that, man. Beautiful, right? Okay. And I'm also going to make with this some smashed finger lemon potatoes. You dig me? Just to add a little side to my protein. Real simple, real easy. We're going to get it in. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to season these up and get them in a sous vide bag, y'all, because that's right. I'm going to sous vide my steaks and then give them a nice sear when they're done, just so we can get that right tenderness, that right temp of where we want our steak to be done at. Alright? I got other videos using the sous vide cooker. If you never used one, check me out on the channel. But today, we're going to hook these up, get these in the sous vide cooker, y'all. Let's do it. Alright, so first I'm going to go ahead and, before I start, get some butcher's twine and tie. You want to tie your steaks together. You want to tie them, to keep it firm and together. It was already on the butcher's cut like this. They cut it off for me with the twine, but that's all you got to do. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put some salt. And these thick pieces, I want to be generous with the salt. Some pepper. Also, some seasoning salt. Alright. And do the same for the other side. Once you got the seasoning on there, we're going to add some olive oil. Now that I got the oil and seasoning, got me some fresh herbs. I'm going to go ahead and get my steaks up into the sous vide bath. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. Looking good, husky. Alright, I got me some fresh thyme I'm going to lay in there. And I also got some fresh rosemary. Alright, get the vacuum seal. And there we go. Got a vacuum sealed up with our herbs. Now you want to have your sous vide cooker set at 155. Okay? And we're going to drop it in there for an hour and a half. Okay? Can't overcook it. Can't go wrong. We want it to be tender. Okay? So we're going to drop it in for an hour and a half. Alright? So I'll come back to y'all after that's done. Alright, y'all. I'm almost done with my steaks in the sous vide cooker. Time is almost up. So right before your time is done, like maybe a half hour before it's done, you want to go ahead and get ready to do our smashed finger lemon potatoes. So I got some finger lemon potatoes in a pot of water, ready to put them on the stove to boil. As you can see, I cut them in half. Right, and what we want to do is we want to boil these until they're soft but not fully cooked, okay? Because we're going to smash them, season them up, and put them in the oven. All right, real easy, okay? So let's get this on the stove. Sous vide cook almost finished. We almost there, y'all. Let's do it. All right, my potatoes are done. I'll let them cool off a minute. Then you want to go ahead, get a baking sheet. And you want to start to smash your potatoes. I'm using my spatula to flat them, to smash them. You want to smash them just like that. All right, and continue on. All right, got them all smashed, as you can see. Now we're going to season them with some salt and pepper. And you want to preheat your oven to 450. Alright, some pepper. I'm also going to put some minced garlic on there. Alright, I don't happen to have any fresh garlic right now at the moment, so I'm using my minced garlic. Spread that on just like so, on each one. Alright, finished it off with some Italian seasoning. You can kind of use whatever herbs you like. I also added a little bit of sea salt, but that's optional. Seasoning salt, that's optional, but add whatever like herbs you want. And we want to get this in the oven for 20 minutes. Now, I got my steaks up out the sous vide, y'all. As you can see, we got them perfectly cooked. But we're going to get a nice little sear on them, all right? I know they don't look all pretty right now, but we're going to get a nice little sear on them to finish them off. Okay, so I'm going to use my chef's torch. You can also, break out your cast iron. Basically, sear it on each side for a few minutes, and you're good to go. All right. So let's get the torch started. All right. I want to just get a nice, good color on each side. There we go, y'all. Got me some nice color on it. Right? Now we're just going to go ahead and put that to the side and let it rest. Okay? Get ready to plate this up. A few more minutes, our potatoes be ready. And we good to go. Let's do it. There we go, y'all. Plate it on up. There we go, man. We got our lamb leg steak with our smashed fingerling potatoes roasted. I did add a little bit of mushrooms, peppers, and onions to sit my steak on top of. Garnished it with some parsley, some microgreens, and that's a good dinner to go. You feel me? Oh yeah. Alright, so please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with the videos. Let me know if you tried it. Comment, man. Holla at me. Let me know what you think. Alright? And like always, y'all know what I'm about to do, man. About to go in on this. Holla.